Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yesterday our discussion was very simple. We marked a 30 minutes supply. I clearly told if market gives a negative reaction from here, we can expect the market to drive down. Okay, so the moment market opens gap up and it opens in a supply, the last indecision candle as part of yesterday's closing, that will act as your demand. So ideal to ideal entry would be like the moment you wait for a 5 minutes candle, and if you wait for a break for this 5 minutes candle to confirm the structure that it is reacting negatively from the supply, then we can identify this particular break, meaning this candle, this small indecision candle is going to be your supply for a confirmed supply. So the moment market taps into here 23,210, you can expect the market to come down to 2310. 100 points capturing is possible. This is the trade should close here. And second trade, what is possible here is, since this is acting as a demand, this can act as a demand, and we marked one more gap here which is going to act as your demand. So which demand to choose from? If market gives a positive reaction like this candle itself is giving you a positive demand, excuse me, positive reaction from this demand. So what happens is, this indecision candle, this blue color candle, act as your confirmed demand. So we can plan a long position from here, targeting at least till day's high. So one on the downward direction, one on the upward direction, both the trades. Yesterday I clearly told market can act as volatile like this. So make sure you're trading with lesser quantity, or if you're trading in the current expiry, make sure you're trading with lesser lots or trade in the next expiry. See, sabse bade loss, meaning very bigger loss, can happen only during expiries. You should make sure that you are protecting your capital by all means. Okay, so what next? How can the market react when it comes to going forward? Let's go to a little bit higher time frame. So what we can see is, although market opened gap up, it came down to a demand, that is yesterday's closing. It did not break the structure on the downward direction, neither it did not break the structure on the upward direction. So it is going to be decisive for the market as to how it is going to react tomorrow. So wait for 30 minutes. If we get a strong closure above this line, above this swing point high, meaning above 23,270 to be very precise, if we get 30 minutes closure with a strong body candle on a small pullback, when we can easily see 23,360 on the upward for tomorrow, very easily possible. If market decides to drive up, we can see a extended target of 23,420. This is going to be the A plus trade for tomorrow. If it happens, well and good. If it doesn't happen also, it's okay, we can plan for a better trade. Second thing what we can see is, market can do little bit of drama, meaning the reason why I'm saying wait for 30 minutes is, market can do a liquidity sweep here and then drive down like this, give a positive reaction from this confirmed demand, and then drive up also. Okay, so that is the reason I'm saying wait for 30 to 45 minutes, even wait till 10 o'clock. If the market sustains above 23,270, we can easily plan a long position. If the market does not sustain above 23,270 and it is coming inside this 23,270 range after 10 o'clock, if it is trading inside this particular range, then we can see a drive down till 23,170. Okay, these two are going to be the trades for tomorrow. I am not interested in this trade because market can react from this this demand also. The reason what I'm saying is, this is also still not mitigated completely. There is a small to small gap here available. So market can react from this, or market can react from this. We don't know where the market will react from. So the ideal to ideal trade, what I am looking forward is, if market opens gap down, it's going to be very best to best case scenario. If market opens gap down, we can see a pretty big drive up like this on the market if it gives a positive reaction. On the other hand, if it opens gap down and drives through this particular range, then we can see a downward target of 22,990 on the downward direction. These are the possible scenarios. See, whatever the possible scenarios we discuss, these are all not important. What is important is, how is your mindset when it comes to trading? How is your mindset when you are in a losing position? How are you planning your positions? Are you adding more funds into your demat account and over trading or revenge trading in the market? Or are you saying, okay, today I am not trading properly, I am closing my screen, tomorrow I will trade better? Are you coming into that mindset? See, your trading will be very, very good only when your mindset is calm. Okay, the moment you see a loss which is not bearable by you on the screen, you will not know what decisions you are taking. You will blindly take positions without even looking into the chart, without even looking into the um, what is the scenario which is happening in the chart, whether there is a liquidity sweep happening, whether there is demand is being mitigated, whether the supply is being mitigated. All that will not be coming into your mind if you are in a losing position. So the reason why I'm emphasizing this point again and again is discipline and risk management are very important. Right now, market is going in a range bound fashion. Okay, tomorrow also market can travel between these range. That is the reason I'm saying I'm not interested in the market if it is going to travel between the range. But if the break happens on the upside, then it is going to be ideal, because there are literally no place where the market can react from, and market can drive up a lot. Suddenly you will not even realize that tomorrow market opens, like tomorrow if market closes somewhere here 23,400, day after tomorrow it will open gap up again, gap up again, gap up, like that it will go on. And you will not even realize, suddenly one fine day market will be at 24,000, 24,100 or somewhere there. You will be thinking, yesterday only it was at 23,200, how come it came to 24,000 all of a sudden? That is the beauty of the market. Okay, it will do those things which a normal retail trader will not expect it to do. Gap up openings will happen if the momentum of the candles are good, if the closing is obtained about 23,400 for tomorrow. I would not advise you to carry forward any positions, but you can carry forward one lot or two lots, not more than that. Because if you carry forward like 100 lots, 200 lots, some people do that. Okay, the moment you carry forward call position, and if SGX Nifty is showing 100 points gap down, you will not get sleep in the night. The next morning you will start to see losing um, PNL the moment market opens, and you will feel bad as to why you carried forward. So do not carry forward. Learn how to trade better in the market. Invest time in studying the market. Invest time with charts. Do back testing. Journal your trades. That is very, very important. Today you have to write what was your mindset. I don't want you to write what is your profit and loss. That is not mandatory. I want you to write in such a way that today I took an entry at this particular point. When the market came back to a demand, it gave a positive reaction. I enter into a trade. I kept this as my stop loss. I kept this as my target. I closed my trade when my target hit or when my stop loss hit. That is what you should write. And my mindset was calm and cool. I was not agitated. I was very calm. I was having a very good risk management. I had very proper planning before even entering into the trade. These are all, what it will do is it will start to develop a mindset inside you, saying like you are fine tuning your mind. You are not allowing your mind to take any kind of a blind entries. You are not allowing your mind to do revenge trading. The moment you have a plan, all these blind tradings will all disappear from your entire life. The way you cultivate it is through practice. All these will help you to cultivate it. I hope this video is educative. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next education video.